सरकारान शुक्रारा गुंतवणूक प्रोत्साहन मंडळाची फेररचना केल्या. या गुंतवणूक मंडळाक गोंय काँग्रेस पक्षान विरोध उक्तायला. भाजपा सरकारान जन्माक घातिल्ले गुंतवणूक प्रोत्साहन मंडळाक काँग्रेसीन सदांच विरोध उक्तायला अशें काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ॲडव्होकेट यतीश नायक हांणी सांगलां. तशेंच ह्या नदी ह्या बोर्डाक विरोध करपी फुडारी आतां ह्या बोर्डाक तेंको दितात असो थोमणोय तांणी ह्या वेळार मारला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
ह्या आयपीबी काँग्रेस पक्ष कन्सिस्टंटली जल्माक येत सान हो आयपीबी ओपोज करीत आसा, बिकॉज इट इज ड्रॅकोनियन. आणि तुमकां याद आसतलें की इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड 2017चे विधानसभा इलेक्शन जे जालें, in the run up to those elections, this issue was a burning issue, and Congress party has been consistent and had been consistent in opposing this investment promotion board as being draconian to the democracy as well as to the process of law. And today, while Congress with all sincerity continues to oppose IPB like it began opposing IPB, those who were in opposition and opposing IPB have now gone with the government, BJP, and that same BJP government has now reconstituted the IPB, and that government which has reconstituted, those who were then opposing are now the allies of the BJP. The IPB is reconstituted by the government of Goa. The government of Goa is a government led by the BJP, in which there are constituents like MGP, in which there are constituents like the Goa Forward Party, and there are constituents who are independents. This is a government decision to reconstitute the IPB, and in this government, those who opposed it then are today allies. Collective responsibility is the concept of governance in a parliamentary democracy and in a democracy like ours. Our demand has been consistently against this IPB, and it is very clear now that this IPB is a vehicle which began as a vehicle for destruction of Goikar Pond, and hence was then opposed by the Congress, and then some others also opposed it, and today while Congress continues to oppose it as a vehicle to destroy Goikar Pond, some who then opposed it are today enjoying power with the BJP which formed this IPB.